Hey everyone, this is Rich Noto. I am a realtor and home inspector. We're turning into Oakland Trails. It's a Meritage Homes community. And this is over in Oakland. So I'm going to turn off to the right over here first. Oh, over here is a really nice view. I'm surprised. Nice hills over here. I mean, it's small, but it's nice looking. Okay, so let's head across the street now. I'm gonna try to loop back around to check out that pool. There's a lot of construction down at the end over there, it looks like. Yeah, I'm turning here. Let's see about over here. So this is the rear of the homes over here. And this is kind of nice how they have it. You can see that the garage on a lot of these isn't attached. Alright, so I'm gonna make a turn here because that's all construction. Coming up on the side of the pool over here. Avoid this car. Oh, they're turning in anyway. Alright, I'm going to try to turn out. home on the left is nice. I think I was a little bit late to say that for the camera, but that's a nice home too. I like the stonework, which is like this home on the left that's brown. Looks like we got mostly construction down here. And down that way it looks like a lot of construction. I like that little witch pumpkin that they have up. So if I can help you out with your home purchase or sale, please do contact me. I have no precious sales, and no one should ever sell the home to you. The home should always sell itself. And I do offer home buyers incentives, but you have to contact me first before entering the home builder. And also the home builder's sales team and the resale home seller's listing agent works for the party that hired them, which means that the home builder's sales team is working for the home builder to get the best top dollar for the home builder, which is the same thing with the resale seller. Excuse me, the resale seller's listing agent. I started looking at a home and I got distracted. Now this home on the right has beautiful tile. So what I'm going to do here briefly is I'm just going to step out and show you the pool. Just so you can see, this is your pool section for the community. And then you do have this little playground and sitting area as well. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Please like, favorite, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.